Let's be real, eating healthy is expensive, right? That's what they tell you. That's what the internet tells you. That's what every overpriced organic store tells you. But guess what? That's a lie. You do not have to spend a fortune to eat keto and lose weight. You just need the right strategy, the right foods, and a little bit of know-how. Today, I'm giving you the ultimate guide to doing keto on a budget. No gimmicks, no unnecessary expenses, just real, practical ways to keep your carb count low and your wallet happy. We're talking cheap, nutrient-dense keto foods, the best places to shop, grocery store hacks to slash your bill, and even meal planning tricks that will keep you full without emptying your bank account. Let's get into it. The myth of expensive keto. First off, let's bust this myth wide open. Most people think keto is expensive because they see influencers pushing fancy MCT oil, grass-fed ribeyes, or gourmet keto snacks. Yeah, those things are great if you want to spend unnecessary money. But guess what? You don't need them to succeed. The truth, keto at its core is about cutting carbs and eating whole, unprocessed foods. And some of the best keto foods are actually some of the cheapest foods out there. Think eggs, ground beef, canned fish, frozen veggies. You don't need to shop at fancy organic stores. You can hit up Walmart, Aldi, Costco, or even Dollar Tree and make this work. The cheapest keto foods you need. Let's break it down. If you're on a budget, these are the keto foods you should be stocking up on. Not just because they're cheap, but because they're packed with nutrients and will keep you full. Eggs, the ultimate budget keto food. Full of protein, healthy fats, and micronutrients. A dozen eggs costs less than a fancy keto snack and will keep you full for hours. Ground beef or ground turkey, way cheaper than steak but still high in protein and fats. Look for 80/20. It's ground beef for more fat and flavor. Canned tuna, sardines, or salmon, super affordable, high in protein, packed with omega-3 south. Perfect for quick meals. Chicken thighs, forget boneless, skinless chicken breast. Thighs are cheaper, juicier, and have more fat, which is what you need on keto. Frozen vegetables, cheaper than fresh, last longer, and just as nutritious. Stock up on spinach, broccoli, cauliflower, and green beans. Cheese, blocks of cheese are way cheaper than pre-shredded. Look for cheddar, mozzarella, or parmesan for budget-friendly keto meals. Butter and olive oil, these are your healthy fats. Butter is super cheap and perfect for cooking. Peanut butter or almond butter, a cheap, high-fat snack. Just make sure you're getting the natural kind with no added sugar. Heavy cream, perfect for coffee, keto sauces, and cooking. It's a high-fat, budget-friendly alternative to fancy keto creamers. Bulk nuts and seeds. Buy almonds, sunflower seeds, or walnuts in bulk. They last a long time and make great keto snacks. Grocery store hacks to save money. Alright, now that you know what to buy, let's talk about how to shop smart and save even more money. Shop store brands. Stop paying extra for name brands. The ingredients are usually the same. Generic brands of butter, cheese, meats, and oils are just as good. Buy in bulk. Stores like Costco and Sam's Club will save you a ton of money if you buy meat, cheese, and nuts in bulk. Freeze what you don't use immediately. Use discount grocery stores. Aldi, Walmart, and Dollar Tree all have great keto options. You do not need Whole Foods for keto. Shop the sales and use coupons. Check grocery store flyers and stock up when keto staples are on sale. Apps like Aboda and Rakuten can save you extra cash. Frozen over fresh. Frozen veggies and meats are usually cheaper and last longer. Plus, they're just as nutritious. Buy whole cuts of meat and cut it yourself. A whole chicken is cheaper than pre-cut chicken breasts. A block of cheese is cheaper than shredded cheese. A big slab of beef can be cut into steaks for way less than buying individual steaks. Avoid prepackaged keto foods. Don't fall for marketing. Those keto-friendly chips, bars, and shakes are overpriced and usually filled with junk. Stick to real food. Meal planning on a budget. Let's get real. One of the best ways to save money on keto is meal prepping. If you don't plan ahead, you'll end up grabbing overpriced snacks or eating out. Here's how to do it right. Pick 2 to 3 protein sources for the week. Example, eggs, ground beef, chicken thighs. Choose 3 to 4 low-carb veggies. Example, frozen spinach, broccoli, cauliflower, green beans. Use healthy fats to cook and flavor. Butter, olive oil, and cheese make everything taste better. Batch cook, make big meals and store leftovers. Example, cook a whole tray of chicken thighs on Sunday and use them throughout the week. Stick to simple meals, don't complicate it. Example, scrambled eggs with cheese for breakfast, ground beef with spinach for lunch, Baked chicken thighs and roasted cauliflower for dinner. Done. Closing final tips and call to action. So, let's wrap this up. Keto on a budget. Totally possible. You don't need expensive products. You don't need to shop at high-end stores. You just need the right strategy. Stick to real, whole foods. Shop smart. Plan your meals. And watch how easy and affordable keto becomes. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried doing keto on a budget? What's your go-to cheap keto meal? Drop a comment below and let's help each other out. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications because I've got more money-saving keto tips coming your way. Let's do this the smart way. See you in the next video.